How to set nickname in Instagram chat. If any day you are an Instagram user and you would like to set a nickname in your Instagram chat but you did not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Instagram application on your mobile device. For that, you can find the very Instagram application and then tap on that. This way, Instagram will be launched on your very mobile device. After Instagram is launched on your mobile device, you have to go to the inbox there. And after you go to the inbox there, you can tap on the very person whose nickname you would like to edit on the very Instagram. Now, after you go to the option here, you can just tap on the person like this and then go to the option of options out there, and then you can see that there is no any option of changing the nickname there in Instagram. It's because the Instagram chat has not usually made the very provision of changing the very username nickname in the Instagram as like Messenger. So what you can do now is you can go to the option of the settings and privacy, and then you can just scroll down, and after that go to the option of help. Now here you can see the option of report a problem, and after that you have to go to the very option of go back and shake your phone, and then go to the option of report a problem once again, and then you can go to the option of report the problem without shaking. After that you can go to the option of don't include and continue. Now here you can tap the very problem that you need the option of the very changing the nickname on your Instagram this way, and you can just send it. And after you send it to the very Instagram with the various kind of screenshots and the uploading thing and write the very thing there, this very Instagram developer may bring the very feature soon, and this way you'll also be given credit to it. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.